Hello, viewers. Welcome to English Grammar Test. Test your English skills. You will have 6 seconds to answer the question. Let's start. Best of luck.
Question 1. Choose the correct sentence. A. She has went to the market. B. She is gone to the market. C. She is go to the market. Question 2. Select the correct plural form of analysis. A. Analysis is B. Analyses. C. Analysis. Question 3. Pick the correct preposition. He is famous dash his paintings. A. For B of C with. Question 4. Choose the correct verb form. If I dash you, I would apologize. A. And B was C were. Question 5. Identify the correct past continuous form. A. They was playing. B. They were playing. C. They are playing. Question 6. Pick the right article. I saw a dash university in the city. A. B, and C, the. Question 7. Select the correct sentence. A. He enjoys to read books. B. He enjoys reading books. C. He enjoy reading books. Question 8. Choose the proper conjunction. She studies hard dash she can pass the exam. A. So that B, although C but. Question 9. Pick the correct comparative adjective. A. More beautiful. Beautifuler. Ek. Beautifulest. Question 10. Identify the correct sentence. A. Everyone have their own ideas. B. Everyone has their own ideas. C. Everyone has their own idea. Question 11. Choose the correct question form. Where dash he live? A. Do B. Does C. Did. Question 12. Select the right pronoun. The teacher gave the books to dash. A. USB. We see. Our. Question 13. Pick the correct synonym for difficult. A. Easy. B. Hard. C. Simple. Question 14. Choose the correct sentence. A. She will arrive soon. B. She will arrive soon. C. She will arrived soon. Question 15. Identify the adverb. He quickly finished the work. A. Quickly. B. Finished. C. Work. Question 16. Select the correct word. There is dash sugar in the bowl. A. Some. B. Any. C. Much. Question 17. Pick the right plural. Several dash attended the meeting. A. Person. B. People. C. Peoples. Question 18. Choose the correct form. I enjoy dash new languages. A. Learn. B. Learning. C. Learned. Question 19. Identify the correct object pronoun. I called dash yesterday. A. Him. B. He. C. His. Question 20. Pick the correct passive voice sentence. A. The letter was sent yesterday. B. The letter was sent yesterday. C. The letter is sent yesterday. Question 21. Choose the correct future form. They dash visit us next week. A. Will be. Did see. Do. Question 22. Select the proper preposition. She put the keys dash the drawer. A. In B. At C. On. Question 23. Identify the correct verb form. The children dash playing outside. A. Is B. Are. C. and am. Question 24. Choose the correct sentence. A. He doesn't like coffee. B. He doesn't like coffee. C. He don't like coffee. Question 25. Pick the right question starter. Dash you ever been to London? A. Have. B. Has. C. Did. Question 26. Choose the correct homophone. I will dash the ball to you. A. Through. B. Through. C. Through. Question 27. Identify the past participle of break. A. Broke. B. Broken. C. Braked.
Question 28. Pick the right conjunction. I stayed home dash it was raining. A because B but C or Question 29. Choose the correct sentence. A. She has seen him last week. B. She saw him last week. C. She's seen him last week. Question 30. Identify the subject. The birds are singing. A. Birds. B. Singing. C. Are. Question 31. Pick the correct verb. He dashed to school by bus. A. Go. B. Goes. C. Going. Question 32. Choose the right question tag. You like ice cream? Dash. A. Don't you? B. Doesn't you see? Aren't you? Question 33. Select the correct word. This book is better dash the other one. A, then B, then C, that. Question 34. Pick the correct plural of mouse. A. Mouses. B. Mice. C. Mouse. Question 35. Choose the right verb form. She has dashed her keys. A. Lost. B. Lose. C. Losed. Question 36. Select the correct sentence. A. They can speaks English. B. They can speak English. C. They can speaking English. Question 37. Choose the correct article. It is dash honor to meet you. A. B, and C. The burr. Question 38. Identify the adverb. She drives carefully. A. Drives. B. Carefully. C. She. Question 39. Pick the correct pronoun. Dash is coming to the party. A. Who. B. Whom. C. Whose. Question 40. Choose the correct verb form. We dash watching TV now. A is B, or C, and ML. Question 41. Identify the past tense of teach. A. Taught. B. Teach. C. Teaching. Question 42. Pick the right sentence. A. It has been raining since morning. B. It is raining since morning. C. It was raining since morning. Question 43. Select the correct preposition. He is good dash chess. A. In B. At C. And Wandra. Question 44. Identify the object. She bought a new car. A. She. B. Car. C. bought. Question 45. Choose the correct verb. We dash the movies yesterday. A. Went. B. Go see. Gone. Question 46. Pick the right conjunction. Do you want tea dash coffee? A. Or B and C, but... Question 47. Choose the correct sentence. A. They were late. B. They was late. C. They are late. Question 48. Pick the correct plural form. He has many dash... A friend B. Friend C. Friend... Question 49. Choose the correct negative form. She dash like spinach. A. Don't. B. Doesn't see. Not. Question 50. Select the correct synonym for fast. A. Quick. B. Slow. C. Late.
Thank you so much for watching. Drop your target scores in the comments. Subscribe Talk Learner for more videos, and also drop your target scores in the comments. Thank you. Have a wonderful day and a peaceful night too. Bye-bye. Heh heh.